Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how much my first game made after just 1 month on the App Store, and some other analytics on it. And I'm also going to be giving you guys some tips if you want to create your own game and release it to the public. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe for more programming and tech videos, and also drop a comment below if there are any video ideas you have that you want me to create. So as you could see on the screen, I made a whopping 3 cents in the first month of releasing my game on the App Store simply from ad revenue, which isn't much at all, and you were probably expecting a much higher number, maybe not. And you can also see that I got 203 impressions in the first month, and those impressions were mainly from people I knew. There were a few other people that I didn't know that downloaded it as well. I'll explain that in a bit, but mainly it was people I knew, because I told everyone I knew to download the game. The reason I didn't get many downloads on the game was because I didn't really market it. Most of those downloads, almost all of them, were from people I knew. I just told everyone I knew to go download the game. But that clearly didn't really do anything. I barely got any downloads, probably somewhere around 200 to 300, which was more than I was actually expecting, but it still isn't very much at all. And the reason my ad revenue is so low is because my downloads are so low, and to make a lot of money on ad revenue, you have to have a lot of downloads, because ads don't really pay that much. And I also didn't get any in-app purchases on the game, so yeah, you also probably have to get a lot more downloads to get money from in-app purchases. So my number one tip, if you want to launch your very own game and make it go viral, is market it a lot. Make sure you market it on different platforms. I used Reddit a little bit, but I should have spent at least, like, let's say 20 to 30% of my time just marketing if I really wanted it to get a lot of downloads. Now, this was a game that was really just helping me with experience and practice game development. But if you really want to create a viral game that a lot of people are going to download and you're going to make a lot of money off of, make sure to market it a lot. You can also use social media, leverage your platforms, get very creative with it. Try to get as many people as possible to be really excited about the game as much as you are. And this is super important because the game won't advertise itself. You have to go out and put in your time to advertise the game. And advertising the game a lot really pays off, because as soon as the game launches, people are going to want to download your game. They're going to be waiting to download it. And if a lot of people download your game as soon as it comes out, like within the first day, then your apps may even make it to the top charts, which will really help it to go viral on the App Store or the Google Play Store as well. And this happens because if more people download it in a shorter amount of time, then it's going to be promoted more by Apple or Google. But if people download your game, like let's say 1,000 people download your game over a month versus 1 day, the game where 1,000 people download the game in 1 day is going to go much more viral. Okay, so that was pretty much it. I hope that helps you guys to get a bit more of an understanding about what you could do if you want to release your own game to the public on the App Store or Android, or even on Windows, on Steam, or really anywhere else. I hope that gives you guys some insight on what to do and kind of how to market your game a little bit. And that was pretty much it. So thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure to like if you like the video, and comment below any video ideas you want me to create in the future, or any questions you have. And if you like this type of content, make sure to subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.